Data breaches have become a common occurrence in today's digital world. They can happen to anyone, from large corporations to individual users, and can have serious consequences. In this video, we'll explore what data breaches are, how they happen, and what you can do to protect yourself. What is a data breach? A data breach occurs when sensitive or confidential information is accessed, stolen, or exposed by an unauthorized person or entity. This can include personal information such as names, addresses, social security numbers, credit card numbers, and passwords. Data breaches can occur through various means, including hacking, phishing, malware, or physical theft. Types of data breaches. There are different types of data breaches, including external attacks. These occur when hackers use various methods to break into a company's network or website to access sensitive data. Insider threats. These happen when an employee, contractor, or other trusted insider purposely or accidentally exposes sensitive data. Physical theft. This involves stealing physical devices that store sensitive data, such as laptops, smartphones, or external hard drives. Accidental exposure. This happens when sensitive data is unintentionally exposed due to a system glitch or human error, such as sending an email to the wrong recipient. Consequences of data breaches. Data breaches can have serious consequences for both individuals and companies. Some of the consequences of a data breach include identity theft. Hackers can use stolen information to commit identity theft, including opening new credit accounts, taking out loans, or applying for a job. Financial loss. Companies can suffer financial losses from data breaches, including the cost of notifying customers, legal fees, and regulatory fines. Reputational damage. A data breach can harm a company's reputation, leading to a loss of customers and revenue. Legal consequences. Companies may face legal consequences for not protecting sensitive data, including lawsuits and government fines. How to protect yourself from data breaches. There are steps you can take to protect yourself from data breaches, including use strong passwords. Use unique and strong passwords for all your accounts, and avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of authentication, such as a fingerprint or code. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks, which can be vulnerable to hacking. Keep software up to date. Keep your software and devices up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Be careful with emails. Be cautious with emails from unknown senders or suspicious attachments, and avoid clicking on links unless you are certain they are safe. Conclusion. Data breaches are a serious threat in today's digital world, but there are steps you can take to protect yourself. By following best practices for online security, such as using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication, you can help minimize the risk of a data breach. If you suspect that your data has been compromised, act quickly to minimize the damage and protect your personal information.